Let me show you an easy way to unblock people on Snapchat. When you unblock someone, it doesn't automatically add them back as a friend. You'll have to manually re-add them, or they'll have to manually re-add you to send snaps and photos and videos. Now open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android. If you wanted to unblock somebody, we need to get to your settings. So tap on your profile at the top left. And then you'll be able to see at the very top right is that gear icon for your settings. They recently redesigned this and moved around everything. So now the block or unblock is towards the bottom here in privacy and data. So just tap on privacy and data. And now you'll be able to see towards the bottom there is blocked users. Just tap on that. Now within here, if you've blocked anybody, you can just tap on the little X and it says, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? Hit yes. Keep in mind after that, they're not automatically your friend. So if you go back out here and go to my friends, they won't necessarily show up on this list, but they can go back and you can re-add them or they can re-add you and start sending and receiving snaps.